360. Next, which of the following quadrilaterals is not a parallelogram? Now, see, this is a parallelogram. What is the basic feature? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So in rectangle, are opposite sides equal and parallel? Yes. In square, are opposite sides equal and parallel? Yes. In rhombus, are opposite sides equal and parallel? Yes. Okay. In kite, are opposite sides equal and parallel? No. Why? In a kite, always adjacent sides, means one pair of adjacent sides is congruent. Always remember, one pair means this pair is congruent to each other and this pair is congruent to each other, means these two sides are congruent to each other and these two sides are congruent to each other. It means what? There are two pairs of congruent sides in a kite, but opposite sides are never congruent and parallel. They are never. Okay. So answer is C, kite. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get this videos, test, question banks with explanation.